Namaste, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most beloved dishes in Indian cuisine, Palak Paneer. Not only will we take you through the process of making this delectable dish, but we'll also uncover some lesser-known facts that will surely leave you amazed. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Palak Paneer, the culinary journey. Palak Paneer, a vegetarian delight, is a creamy and vibrant dish that originates from the northern regions of India. It's a marriage of fresh spinach leaves and paneer, a type of Indian cottage cheese. The combination of flavors and textures is truly something special. Segment 2. The making of Palak Paneer. Now, let's walk through the process of making Palak Paneer from scratch. It's simpler than you might think. Blanching the spinach. Start by blanching a bunch of fresh spinach leaves. This helps retain the vibrant green color and removes any bitterness. Creating the base. Next, sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan until they're aromatic. Then, add tomatoes and spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Blending. Once the base is cooked, combine it with the blanched spinach and blend into a smooth puree. Paneer preparation. Cut paneer into bite-sized cubes and lightly fry them until they're golden brown. Combining. Pour the spinach puree back into the pan, add the paneer cubes, and let them simmer together. Finish with a touch of cream for that luscious texture. Segment 3. Palak Paneer's nutritional value. Apart from being utterly delicious, Palak Paneer is packed with nutrition. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, while paneer provides protein and calcium. It's a wholesome dish that caters to both taste and health. Segment 4. Surprising facts about Palak Paneer. Ancient origins. Palak Paneer can trace its origins back to the Mughal era, where it was enjoyed by royalty for its rich flavors. Global popularity. Beyond India, Palak Paneer has gained popularity worldwide. It's a testament to the global appeal of Indian cuisine. Variations. While the classic recipe is a favorite, regional variations exist. For instance, some versions use tofu instead of paneer for a vegan twist. Health makeover. Health-conscious foodies often replace cream with yogurt to create a lighter version without compromising on taste. Culinary fusion. Innovative chefs have fused Palak Paneer with other cuisines, resulting in unique dishes like Palak Paneer pizza. Segment 5. Palak Paneer in popular culture. Did you know that Palak Paneer has made its way into popular culture as well? Culinary literature. Palak Paneer has also found its way into culinary literature and food blogs, where chefs and writers share their creative takes on the dish. Segment 6. Palak Paneer, a dish of celebration. Festival feasts. During festivals like Diwali and Holi, Palak Paneer often takes center stage on dining tables, symbolizing abundance and joy. Family bonding. Cooking Palak Paneer can be a family affair, with generations sharing tips and secrets to perfecting the dish. Rich in iron. Spinach is a fantastic source of iron, making Palak Paneer a great option for those looking to boost their iron intake. Vitamin powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, Palak Paneer supports immune health, skin health, and bone health. Digestive aid. The blend of spices in Palak Paneer, such as cumin and ginger, can aid digestion and promote gut health. Paneer, the star ingredient of Palak Paneer, has its own fascinating story. Simple creation. Paneer is made by curdling milk with an acidic agent like lemon juice or vinegar. The curds are then separated from the whey and pressed into a block. Ever wondered why Palak Paneer remains so vibrantly green? Anti-browning tricks. Adding a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon juice while cooking can help prevent the spinach from turning brown. Palak Paneer's charm transcends borders, leading to unique adaptations worldwide. Paneer Palak in the West. In Western countries, Palak Paneer has become a staple in Indian restaurants, exposing diverse palates to its flavors. International fusion. Food lovers have experimented with incorporating Palak Paneer into wraps, sandwiches, and even sushi. What better way to enjoy Palak Paneer than with its culinary companions? Roti and naan. Pairing Palak Paneer with soft rotis or crispy naans creates a balanced and satisfying meal. Rice delights. For a heartier option, serve it with steamed rice or fragrant biryani. Segment 12. Palak Paneer's influence on food culture. The impact of Palak Paneer goes beyond just a meal. Modern Indian cuisine. In recent years, Palak Paneer's traditional flavors have inspired contemporary interpretations of Indian cuisine. Food tourism. Food tourists often seek out authentic Palak Paneer experiences, contributing to local economies. Segment 13. The perfect Palak Paneer pairing lassi. To complete your Palak Paneer experience, let's explore a classic Indian beverage pairing lassi. Refreshing drink. Lassi, a yogurt-based drink, balances the richness of Palak Paneer with its cool and refreshing taste. Flavor variations. From sweet mango lassi to tangy masala lassi, there's a lassi to complement every palate. Palak Paneer isn't just a dish. It holds cultural significance too. Nourishing tradition. In Indian households, Palak Paneer is often prepared during celebrations, signifying nourishment and togetherness. Food as ritual. It's also offered to deities during festivals as a gesture of gratitude. And there you have it, a journey through the delicious world of Palak Paneer. From its humble origins to its global popularity, this dish embodies the richness and diversity of Indian cuisine. So, why not try your hand at making this delightful dish and experience its flavors for yourself? Remember, Palak Paneer isn't just a meal. It's a piece of history, culture, and love on a plate. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!